Water damage questions, I get them all the time. And although I would love to answer each and every one, it's really hard for me to specifically answer about your unit. Why? Because they're all different. And I feel like I say that all the time. It really depends on your unit. Water damage could be anywhere from like a little spot that you have to cut out and replace on like an interior panel, or it can go down to the foundation, all the way down to the chassis. I mean, it really depends. You might have to replace a roof. I would love to answer each and every one. I mean, we have to think about how old it is, the type of framing, the type of roofing, the type of flooring, type of insulation. RVs are not a one-for-all answer. I wish they were, but here's the basis. In most RVs, you have the interior panel, then you have the frame, and then the exterior panel. So depending on how much water damage you have, depends on how much of that you actually have to replace. I wish I could have answered that better. Sorry.